Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your 529 plan records with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. In the main dashboard, navigate to the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Under Accounts, select Education Savings to find your 529 plan. Click on your 529 plan to access its details. Once on your 529 plan page, look for the Statements and Tax Forms section. Click on this section to view all available documents related to your account. Select the documents you want to back up, such as statements, transaction history, or tax forms. To download a specific document, click on the download icon next to it. Choose the appropriate file format for your needs, typically PDF or CSV. After the file starts downloading, check your computer's Downloads folder. Create a dedicated folder on your device titled 529 Plan Backup. Move the downloaded files into this folder for ease. If you require additional security, consider using file encryption software. You may also want to back up your records to a cloud storage service for added safety. Access your preferred cloud storage service and log into your account. Upload the 529 plan records from the dedicated folder on your device. Ensure all files are successfully uploaded by checking their status in the cloud. Regularly review your backup folder to keep your records up to date. Repeat this process periodically, especially after receiving new statements. This will help ensure that your important financial information is safe and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.